Hello. I know I'm really late. The movie was much longer than I thought it was. We saw Mary Poppins Returns, and it was very good. Like I said, a little longer than I thought, but I'm sure most of you are in bed, as you should be. But I'll read anyway, and you can watch it whenever. So tonight I'm reading All My Friends Are Planets, which is another new Scholastic book that just came in our new box. And we just ended our lesson, our unit on outer space. So we were all very curious about Pluto, which is what this story is about. So, see, Thor's joining me again for the video. So I'll go ahead and read. And like I did with our other book, I'll just show you the pictures after I'm done with the page. So, hi there, my name is Pluto. I am the 9th planet in the solar system. Or at least I thought I was. I have been floating around space in a place called the Kuiper Belt, and I'm probably saying that wrong, and as my kids know, I would ask Alexa in the classroom, but we're not there. Millions of miles away from the sun. It took a while to find me because I live so far out in space. The furthest, in fact, from the sun, which is the center of our solar system. Before me, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Hi, Abe and Kelly. Mercury is the first and closest planet. It can orbit the sun in only 88 days, versus the 365 days it takes for Earth. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, whose surface heats up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and is also the brightest planet in Earth's night sky. Your home, Earth, is the only planet found to have life, so far. Probably because the moon stabilizes its orbit, making the weather nice there. Mars is known affectionately as the red planet. In 2015, scientists found water, so maybe humans might be able to live there. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, made entirely of poisonous gas. For hundreds of years, Jupiter endured a strong, windy storm, which is why it has a great red spot. If you look at their picture of Jupiter, you can see the mirrored spot right here. Saturn is made entirely of gas, just like Jupiter, but has beautiful rings around its perimeter, made of billions of small chunks of rock and ice. Sorry, my light's reflecting today, apparently. Hi, Shrams. Uranus is also made entirely of gas, particularly methane, which gives the planet its special color. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system, with winds 9 times stronger than on Earth. It takes Neptune 165 Earth years just to orbit the sun once. Hello, buddy. Let's be in the video. I was the 9th. My best friend was Neptune. We were the furthest neighbors in the solar system. But I had a secret that I couldn't tell anyone. There's no pictures on this page. I've always felt a little different. And it's not just because I'm so far away, or because I'm the smallest planet, or because I'm always cold. Well, it's actually all of that. You see, all my friends revolve around the sun, in what they call an orbit. And at the center of their orbits is the sun. But not me. The sun isn't at my center. I am also the only planet too small and lightweight to sweep asteroids and other space junk called debris out of my orbit. So here in the blue is a regular orbit around the sun. My goodness, I'm terrible at this. And then you can kind of see the orange oval around that, and that would be Pluto's orbit. It's kind of faint, but this book will be at school too. So I tried not to think too much about these differences. None of the other planets seemed to notice. I was still their friend, all the same. Until Mike Brown came around. The day was August 24th, 2006. Mike Brown and other astronomers from Earth decided that because of my differences, I would no longer be considered a planet in the solar system. I felt so alone. Everything that once made me unique now became a reason to exclude me. Was I really that different? Was there anyone else like me? And then one day, I heard a faint, "Hello." I'd never heard that voice in my corner of space before. "Who's there?" I asked. My dog knows the words "who's there." He's checking the door and the window. "I'm Maki Maki. I've noticed you in the Kuiper belt." I'm terrible at that word. "Before, but I was too shy to introduce myself." "And I'm Eris. We're dwarf planets here in the Kuiper belt, just like you." Try not to get that reflection on there. "What's a dwarf planet?" I blurted out. "I've never heard of that before." "We're a lot like planets, but smaller," Eris said. "We have enough mass and gravity to be round and travel through space in a path around the sun. But," Maki Maki said, "our path around the sun is full of other objects, like comets and asteroids." There are no pictures on this page. "Huh," I muttered to myself. "There are others like me out there." "Neptune," I called. "Meet my new friends, Maki Maki and Eris. They are dwarf planets, just like me." "Hiya." I was starting to get worried, but it looks like Pluto has found great company out there on the belt, Neptune replied. They continued to talk and laugh, which made me realize that I was actually glad to learn that I wasn't a real planet. I was different, but my old friends still loved me, and my new friends welcomed me into the dwarf planet family. The best part is, we all got along with each other, and together we make the solar system larger and friendlier. This book has a cool circle that you can draw your own planet. Maybe we'll have to draw our own planet sometimes. Now, time for bed. Have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow for story time. Bye.